welcome to Storyline Online. Today I'm going to read you Twinky the Dinky Dog. Twinky the Dinky Dog. Twinky was a very big dog, at least his own eyes. In the eyes of the rest of the world, Twinky was dinky. Twinky's owner treated him like a dinky dog. She carried him like a purse, She dressed Twinky up in silly sweaters. She sent Twinky to charm school. She called him Twinky Poo, and she made him go potty on a wee pad. That was the worst. That's not pain. Twinky wanted to run with the big dogs in the big dog park. He dreamed of crab and tree trunks and a new mowed lawn and long, wide sidewalks in the misty dawn. But Bubba and Tank and Bertha wanted nothing to do with that Twinky because his owner carried him around like a purse, because his owner dressed him in silly sweaters, because his owner called him Twinky Poo, and because his owners made him go potty on a wee pad. I can show you who's who. There's Bubba, Tank, and Bertha. Let's see, but his owner just doesn't. His owner just doesn't understand. Okay. Bubba, Tank, and Bertha growled at dinky dog things. Dinky dog treats, dinky dog tops, dinky dog collars, and the dinky dog shops. There's dinky dog shopping. Alrighty. It was not fair. In his heart, Twinky knew he was a big dog. What was this any way to treat a big dog? No, it was not. Twinky would show them.
Grounding you and taking shit away like I'm supposed to when you don't do the shit I ask. Just like not doing your chores. Just like not taking a shower and standing here bad face lying to me. You still haven't brushed your teeth either. So, how would you feel if I started taking your shit away because you never do anything I ask? Because that's what's going to happen. You're going to hate me. And that's just how it's going to be.
He waited until his owner was busy talking on the phone. Then he wiggled and jiggled loose. He ran to the big dog park as fast as his dinky legs could carry him. Fast as the dinky legs could carry him. You can see his owner on the phone as he's jiggling loose. The big dog saw Dinky Twinky out running loose. They teased him. Bubba asked, "Where's your fancy car?" Tank asked, Where was your sweater?" Bart asked, "Where was your wee pad?" I told him he had wriggled loose, and now it was time for him to learn the big dog moves. So guys, we don't know yet, but they might give him a chance. See, there's Dinky. But are they gonna let him in? Or are they not gonna let him in? Who knows? Let's figure it out. The big dogs growled and scowled. They put their heads together. Bubba looked at Tank. Tank looked at Bertha looked at Bubba. God, I hate this thing. My name looks so The big dog growled and snarled, and they looked at each other. Bubba looked at Tank. Tank looked at Bertha, and Bertha looked at Bubba. Okay, guys. So you ready? Here comes. The big dogs agreed. It was time to teach Twinky the big dog moves. There's the picture. So sorry, guys. He's screaming. He's happy. He's ready. They showed Twinky the big dog strut, the growls and the snarls, and the big dog growls. He was getting the hang of it. Twinky was getting the hang of it. But then his owner found him. She had been looking all over for Twinky Poo. Twinky Poo was sad he had to go home. Oh no. Guys, we're almost done with the book. So, let's do this. Twinky tried out the big dog moves when he got home. He tried the struts and the growls and the snarls and the scrowls. Sometimes he even scared himself. Bit by bit, Twinky began to feel like a big dog. Then there came a dark and stormy night. Twinky heard a scary noise outside the door, so did Twinky's owner. It was a robber! Twinky's owner was scared. She reached for the phone to call the police, but she couldn't find it. She did not know what to do. But Twinky did. Twinky did the big dog move. He did the scowl and snarl and strutted to the door. He growled, rose to bark, and bark rose, roar. Twinky sent the robber running for his life. What happens next? Oh! Pages are falling. Oh, here we go. The whole world soon heard about Twinky. His picture was on the front of the paper of the news page, the front page on the newspaper. Must be a famous dog or something. Kevin, things changed for Twinky. No more being carried around like a purse. No more silk sweaters. No more charm school. No more wee-wee pad. That was the best of all. Oh, no more wee-wee pad. No. Now Twinky ran with the big dogs, with Bubba and Tank and Bertha. Now Twinky goes with the crab and the tree truck and the new one and the white socks and the misty dawn. Now Twinky was not dinky, and now the whole world knew it. That is an AR story. So thank you for watching. Bye.